Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In previous video, we learned how to create database. In this video, we will learn how to create table in SQL Server. Here is the syntax of creating table. Create table, table name, and in the small bracket, we need to specify column name 1 and its data type, column name 2, its data type, and so on. It's depending on the requirement how many columns we need to create. Let's see how we can do it in practical. Let's go to the database, open new query. We can create new query from right click on the database and then select new query, or we can do it from the top. Now create table and table name. Let's say the table name is employee, and in the small bracket we need to specify, let's say I have employee ID, it's a one column being, and then employee name. Let's say I have given varchar 50 size. Just click on execute, and we can see that command completed successfully. Let's see whether it is created or not. Just copy that employee table name, select star from employee. We can see that it has only two columns, employee ID and employee name. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.